Okay, so I was just watching some videos on YouTube. Then I came across this video where this person makes a game from scratch without any experience. And the video has around 780,000 views. So, well, I also don't have any experience too. So, well, today we are going to be making a game without any experience. And we will use HTML, CSS and plain JavaScript. So without any delay, I opened VS Code and I started writing the HTML, then I started writing CSS, and then the JavaScript. So for the JavaScript, I splitted each task and event listeners into functions and classes. A function for the warning screen, then opening the main menu, then for loading the game, then for the changes in the screen, and then loading credits, then for the increasing audio, decreasing audio, the loading entity, and then we have our character class which creates our character. Then it's also for the movement. Then we have our start game function. Then the rest of the event listeners required for capturing clicks and keydown events. Now, after the JavaScript, our game was ready to be played. But wait, something is missing. What is it? Of course, it's the character design. So for the character design, I searched up some pixel character design that were free to download. And I got this, but I don't know how to use it. Like, how do I even use this for my character movements? It's just a single picture. So next I open a Figma and then recropped the image for each frame in the exact ratios. Then I converted these images into GIFs or GIFs, whatever it is. Now the next step is to link the GIF with the character movements. So now we have linked the character with the GIF and it's working. And with a bit of sound effects and a bit more changes, our game was ready. Let's play it. Okay, so let's play it. Made beloved by Mr. Laitama. One life, one giant. Okay. The sound effect is not too good, but yeah, it works. It's level 0. Then the level 1, use the A key to move left. Now the W key. Then the S key. Now quit the game. Are you sure? Yes. So that's the game. You guys can make changes to this game. I will just make it open source.